Welcome back to Happy Place Cooking. Today I'm going to be doing a mashup meal. This is going to be pizza enchiladas. I think it's going to be pretty good. I've never made this before, so this will be a first. Hopefully it turns out good. I'm ready. Let's get started. First thing I'm going to do is put my ground beef, 1 pound, in my skillet. Turn this on a low heat, that way this can thaw as it kind of browns. My tortillas got a little bit split right there, but it'll be fine. I had these in the freezer, so they broke as they were thawing. I am going to go ahead and put these in the microwave in a little bit and get those heated up so that they're a little more pliable. I have got a full pack of pepperoni slices. I want to save, I'm going to try to save at least 3 for each enchilada. There should be 4. The 3 will be for the top. Then the rest of these I'm going to chop up. Yes, I'm going to cut this in 4 strips, and then I'm just going to start chopping away here. This is all going to go in with the beef mixture. This does call for shredded mozzarella. I am actually just going to cut my cheese into small-ish slices. And I'm probably gonna try to make it where it's enough for both inside the enchiladas and also outside. Burger is getting close to being completely browned. Throwing in all of my chopped up pepperoni. Now I'm going to add Italian seasoning, probably close to a teaspoon, maybe 2. Onion powder, probably about half a teaspoon of onion powder. That much minced garlic. My red pepper flakes, and I'm only going to put just a little bit of that in. Maybe 1/4 to 1/2 of a teaspoon. I'm just going to let all that cook together while the burger finishes browning up. Next, I'm going to add about 1/2 can or so of my enchilada sauce. This is a 10-ounce can. And I'm going to add about 1/2 jar, more like 1/4 of a jar of pizza sauce. Because I have a split, I am going to fold that to the outside, and I'm going to have to kind of probably keep my fillings a little more on this side of it. First thing I want to do is add my cheese. I'm going to do, yeah, that should be good. Then I'm going to spoon about 1/4 of my hamburger mixture right on top. It's tricky since I think I'm going to do it this way and put the splits like that. That'll work. And then I have a greased pan, and I'm just going to lay all 4 of them in my pan. I'm going to finish up the other 3 exactly like this, and then I'll be back. The next step, I'm going to pour the rest of my enchilada sauce and I'm going to go ahead and pour about another 1/4 to 1/2 cup of this pizza sauce. And I'm going to take my pepperonis that I had set aside for, that's a really thick pepperoni there, for the toppings, Each one gets 3. Then I'm going to take my cheese. I better go a little sparingly here. I'm running low. I'll make sure each one gets some cheese. Okay, I think that's it. Now, I have my oven preheated to 350. This is going to go in the oven for about 30 minutes. And once it's done, I will get it out, plate it up, top it with Parmesan, the grated Parmesan, and I'll show you what it looks like. Thanks for watching. Happy eating.